Ladies and gentlemen, good day, and welcome to the earnings call with identified investors and/or analyst conference call hosted by PNGS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited. As a reminder, all participant lines will remain in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal the operator by pressing star, then zero on your touchtone phone. I now hand the conference over to Ms. Hiranyamai Deshpande, Company Secretary from PNGS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, for opening remarks. Thank you, and over to you.
Thank you, Ryan. Good evening, everyone. This is Hiranyamai Deshpande, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of PNGS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited. A very warm welcome to all of you to the earnings conference call. For discussion, we have here with us Mr. Amit Modak, Mr. Aditya Modak, our Director, and Mr. Vishwas Hundrav, our Chief Financial Officer. Welcome, everyone. We wish to start by qualifying that during the call, we may make some forward-looking statements. PNGS Gargi does not provide any specific revenue earning guidance. Anything which is said during this call, which may reflect our outlook for the future, or which may construed as a forward-looking statement, must be reviewed in conjunction with the risks that the company faces. These statements are considering the business environment we see as of today, and therefore, there could be risks and uncertainties that could cause actual results to vary materially from what we are discussing on this call today. An audio link and transcript of this call will be shortly available on the investor section of our website, www.gargibypng.com. With this, we are now ready to begin with the opening statements and the performance of the company. And post that, we will be available for the question-answer session. Now, I request Mr. Aditya Modak to take over. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Hiranyamai. I hope I'm audible. Yes, thank you all for joining the call. Our Q3 results were announced on 9th February, and we are here to explain those and other updates happening around the company and industry that we are observing. Our Q3 did top line of 46.18 crore with a PAT of 10.65 crore. This shows growth of almost 27% in top line, and PAT also rose by almost 16.5% compared to last year's Q3. Our last year's top line was consist of one-time sale of goods amounting to 25.74 crore due to change from FOFO to FOFO in our SI. If we reduce that sale number from the top line of the last year, our sale rose by 41.89 crore, that is almost 54% in first 9 months, and we are really satisfied with this number when we compare this with the industry growth. Last year we said that the 25-26 will be all about the expansion and creating new footprint in coming years, and we also said that we will be opening exclusive sale points or brand outlets. The number we directed in previous calls were not less than 12 locations, and we are happy to tell you that we opened 16 locations in this year, and still there are few in pipeline for this year. As on date, we have total 121 point of sales across India, and similar to this year, next year will be again about opening new stores, creating new markets, creating more brand awareness, and concreting our presence in growing markets. In last year, we also promised that we will be spending on pan-India marketing. For that, our promoter infused approximately 10 crore equity during the year at the rate of 970. We are utilizing that money to create brand awareness across India using variety of sources, including digital media. This market is set to triple in coming 5 years, and we are getting ready to grab this opportunity through all our product lines, whether it is 925 sterling silver jewelry, 14 karat natural diamond gold jewelry, or Utsav fashion jewelry. We are exploring new ways and avenues to take this opportunity to expand our business. With market tripling in this year, one more advantage that we have is that there are very few organized players in this segment, and the consumers are moving or preferring organized players for their quality concern and brand awareness. and that should help us grab more market share in years to come. This positive environment ensures us to grow at least by 35% in years to come with good SSG and additional sell point that we are creating. While taking advantage of growing market and expanding our footprint, we are also maintaining our PAT profitability over 20%, which is best in the industry. We are zero debt company and we have self-financed all our growth we did till now and intend to continue it with excellent cash balance and current ratio. Our current liquidity is sufficient for another at least 25 EBOs without any debt or any equity expansion. As we always have talked about the philosophy that we will not hurry to showcase the numbers, but will take thorough measures to create profitable locations and indeed a sustainable model to thrive in years to come. We won't be compromising on quality on any aspect whatsoever while growing at the fastest speed. We will continue our excellent corporate governance also with quarterly results, concalls, etc. every year. And we'll take our business to new heights with journey as smooth as possible. This is it from my side. I now hand it over to Mr. Amit Modak to give his commentary and Q&A session. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome for this investor call. We are giving maximum transparent information from time to time, plus quarterly result along with the explanatory statement. Quarterly statement giving the details about the previous quarter, quarter over quarter, period over period, everything in the standardized format, which is supposed to be of the main board entity kind of thing. I hope you must be appreciating this effort to have good corporate governance to all these things. Before taking question answer, I want to summarize something. Like Indian fashion jewelry market is 10,000 crore today, likely to be 30,000 crore by 2030. Organized retail portion is less than 10% currently, so there is a huge scope for the organized sector to expand. But only thing with the price point, customer shift is also required, because customer shift will happen only when customer will realize that price is not only the concern, the quality and finishing and sustainability for the product which they are buying is also the concern. And it is happening because we are looking that there is a great shift is coming. Silver jewelry has got 4 to 6% CAGR in the market. Costume jewelry has got almost 11.5% CAGR driven by Gen Z, the adoption. Our company is founded in 2021, backed by 193-year-old legacy of PNGS Sons. Brand portfolio Gargi is a contemporary, Utsav is a bridal and heavy, but not having any retail value. Product range includes that sterling silver, brass, 14 karat gold and diamond, and now recently added 9 karat gold. Our touch points are spread pan-India, and Aditya has given you the details about the number. Recent period, 9 months, if we set off the one-time sale of previous year's number, then the growth is around 52 to 54%, somewhere between. Revenue last full year was 126 crore. This year's first 9 months revenue is 119 crore. That 126 crore is without taking the set off for the one-time sale. So it is almost matching. Even if we keep that one-time sale, our growth is going to be more than 30%, including that one-time sale. So if you remove that one-time sale, you will find that growth is far, far better than the market trend, which is right now. EBITDA is around 39.56 crore. PNGS Gargi has got 22.8% PAT margin, 31.3% EBITDA margin. As against the market, I will not take the names of the brands. I have got, even though I have got the information about this brand, their company name and everything. I can mention the largest competitor in the fashion jewelry or the pocket-friendly diamond brand. They have got 2.7% PAT margin with 5.5% EBITDA. The apple-to-apple company which is operating in market with us has got a loss making of 58 crore, and they are showing that there is a reduction in loss, and that's why they are coming in profit, which is not acceptable term to me, because I only accept the rupee which can be wrote on the check or which can be get reflected in the bank statement. It should not be in the negative or in the bracket on the financial statement. That I don't accept at all. Then one global brand is there, which has got 11.8% PAT margin with 18.3% EBITDA margin. From all these figures, you can assess the quality of the company in which you have got investment, and we are leading that company. It's proud for us. It's a zero debt. Cash balance is almost equivalent to the 70 crore rupees, which is in the form of treasury, in form of short-term deposits with the bank, and that is sufficient, as Aditya has said, to expand minimum 25 locations in the coming year without asking for any debt from the market or without asking for the expansion to the equity. Working capital is a 97 crore for the 119 crore rupees top line. 5 years sales CAGR is a 95.24% hyper growth phase. FY25 150% revenue growth with 23% PAT margin. 150% is always said 100 is a basic and 50% is a growth. That concept, even though for the investment purpose I am explaining, actually it's a 50% growth and basic 100 is there, so we call it as 150%. 9 months FY26 119 crore revenue. Annualized run rate is a 160 crore, but I will not say that 160 crore will be there because last year one-time sale will not be there. So I can say you will see not less than 35 to 40% growth in any year in the downline, which is coming year in after for at least next 3 to 4 years. Profitable in every quarter since inception, which is exceptional for the fashion jewelry in the market. Neither listed nor unlisted, no one is having this kind of the profitability in the fashion jewelry. Fixed asset, it's a asset-light model. From start itself, we are saying it's a asset-light model. So for 126 crore rupees last year top line, were having only 4.7 crore rupees fixed asset. FOCO model 75 inventory funded by the franchisee, and investment per store is around 50 lakh rupees versus 1 to 2 crore rupees for other competitors. Minimal capex expansion is required. FOCO stores are franchisee operated, company owned inventory, SIS, PNG, which are FOFO, franchisee operated and franchisee owned, and retail partners like Shopper Stop and third party franchises. Product diversification, as we have seen in earlier my statement only, it is a silver jewelry, brass jewelry, copper jewelry, Utsav jewelry with the plating, then 14 karat gold studded with the natural diamond. Natural diamond is a precisely thing we need to keep in mind, because very shortly whoever is selling the lab grown diamond will not be allowed to use diamond word in their billing or in their sales matter. They need to mention either LGD or stone, not even precious stone. So that BIS standards and BIS notification is coming very shortly. Kids collection we have introduced and which is becoming very popular. One company is operating at 5% market share, around 3,000 crore. Another company is operating at 1.5 market share, around 500 crore. We are operating at 0.15% market share at 126 crore. But we should keep in mind the earlier two which we have mentioned, they are selling plain gold jewelry also along with their product. If I start selling tomorrow plain gold jewelry, I can beat all these numbers, that much I am confident. But my main purpose of this fashion jewelry segment is not to sell plain gold jewelry, but to sell fashion jewelry which is a pocket friendly and fast moving jewelry. We have got blessings from 193-year-old brand, only player with 20% PAT margin, pan India, zero debt versus industry norm of leveraging through the equity calls or the debt, and FOCO model, superior unit economics versus owned stores. For me, that is a summarization, and you can start now your question answer. I am happy to receive your questions and happy to answer your questions. Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin with the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and 1 on their touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and 2. Participants are requested to use their handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. We take the first question from the line of Nishant Joshi from Equisense Advisors Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Sir, good evening. I have two questions. First question relates to our distribution system. I believe we have larger distribution in and around Pune, Mumbai or Maharashtra. Do you intend to copy this concentric circle growth in different states? Because as of now, what I've been seeing that we are opening stores in a staggered manner in different states. So would you like to comment on that? And can you give details how much sales come from Pune, Mumbai or Maharashtra area in percentage terms?
Mainly, we have already having presence in almost 13 states. So, saying that we are concentrated in Maharashtra, now I will not accept that statement because we have started expanding in other states also. Getting good turnover from all these states where we are approaching or establishing new location will take some time. It will not beat the Maharashtra top line because Maharashtra is our core area of operation where our brand has got very strong presence. And there are many brands who have got strong presence in some specific area, even though they are present in the national scenario or as a national brand. If you take their split of the turnover or the top line, they are also having substantially coming from their native brand area and coming remaining from the pan-India area. Same thing is here. But yes, we are doing extremely well where we have expanded in last 8 to 12 months. So still those locations are in position to the gestation period kind of the thing. They need to get matured in a 3 to 4 years time, and then we can assess whether they are matching with our Maharashtra performance or not. Secondly, the SIS location with PN Gargi and Sons Limited, because there is a by default or the generic footfall is there, and customer comfort is there. They are shopping at a higher price point or higher level in these 33 locations as compared to others. But my one Pune location or even the 3-4 locations which are in Pune outside the PN Gargi Sons location, standalone kind of shop, having standalone location shop, they also have got 1.5 crore to 2.5 crore per annum kind of the top line in a single location. Our recently established Lakshmi Road franchisee model, third party franchisee, they have clocked in a first year of their operation because they started last year on 30th March. So last year only 2 days they were working. They clocked till date almost 2.25 crore rupees turnover. That means they will close around 2.5 crore by end of the year. Lucknow is doing well, Amritsar is doing well. Then Patna kiosk is there and kiosk is doing equivalent to the standalone shop kind of the thing. Indore Citadel Mall is there, which mall is upcoming and still infrastructure is in progress. But yes, there also we have got good response and it is also clocking almost 3.5 to 4 lakh rupees sale every month, which was not expected by us to achieve this kind of sale in an early period. So it is in line. Even the Gurgaon Elante Mall, we started in last February, and that is also carrying out more than 5 lakh rupees a month. So I am not worried whether outside Maharashtra I can perform or not. On the other hand, I am confident that it will perform, and I am happy to say that we have received a very good response, even though our brand name was new to these North Indian places. And because Shopper Stop was keeping our brand within their shops, we become popular pan-India in advance before expansion, and our strategy is working very well.
My second query was that as you said, industry itself is growing in double digits. Unorganized market is also getting converted to organized on a faster pace. So are you estimating 30-35% growth on a conservative basis, or as you have said?
No, I always say not less than.
Sorry, sir?
I always commit not less than. Not less than means that much I am getting bound to do. I will say not up to 45%. Up to 45%, even if I perform 19%, I will say I said up to 45%, it comes 19%. But I am getting committed myself by saying not less than. That is more important for me. I am also from the finance background. So anybody saying not less than is more important for me rather than up to. So my all commitments in every call, earlier call also, I commit every number not less than. So my growth will be not less than 35%. You said double digit. So I am in double digit, very well in double digit.
And for any rationale that why over Q3?
Because just saying I can grow at 50% and next year saying sorry, I don't accept that kind of thing. So I say always not less than. Because this year I have grown by 53%. I can say I can grow by 50%, but I will not say that.
Maybe I appreciate that, sir. I just intend to say that maybe any rationale, sir, you can give for why quarter 3 was in line with quarter 2. This was a season wherein a high sales could have come. Any reason for that, sir?
I will reply your this question, but before that I will address to all the investors that I perform for the year, not for the day over day, week over week, month over month, quarter over quarter. So if you compare 9 months over 9 months, why took quarter over quarter? My growth is 53%. And now come to the Q2 to Q3. Q2 ended with the festival start. 10 days of festival were there in the Q2. If you remember, it started around 20th September this year. So out of 45 days festival days, 10 days were in the September month. Secondly, there are some FOFO models where franchisee on franchisee operated, where I need to move inventory for their purpose well in advance. I cannot move it day on day basis. So almost 60% inventory required for their festival sale was moved in Q2 in last 10 days. So that sale got booked there. And even though, irrespective of that, I have shown overall growth. So if that sale would have happened in the first week of the October, subject to festival starting after first week of October, my sale would have been higher by 40 to 45% in Q4 to Q3.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. We take the next question from the line of Disha from Sapphire Capital. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yes.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, very well.
Yes. So I think how many stores are we planning to open for the next year?
Last year I said not less than 12. Right now I have already opened 16 and there are some in pipeline as Aditya has given in his explanation. Next year I am saying not less than 20 but up to 25 to 30.
And what geographies will you be targeting?
Pan India except South India में fashion jewelry या costume jewelry इतना popular नहीं है because there is a popularity for the pure gold jewelry. So we are targeting first North India where fashion jewelry or costume jewelry is very much popular.
Okay, and what sort of capex per store do we see?
Around for us, if it is a franchisee model, because franchisee do all things, that is a capex for the furniture fixture, then rental advances and everything. We need to keep the inventory only. So to the extent of inventory, if it is only for fashion jewelry of the silver, then capex is required 25 to 30 lakhs rupees. If it is including diamond, then capex is required around 50 to 60 lakhs.
And if it's not the franchisee model,
then if my own store is there, I require 1 crore rupees. Because infrastructure I need to create on my own. And generally when we create our own franchisee, it has got little bit different look because our brand value gets involved there.
And so the new store openings that we are planning, any sort of split between the franchisee model and our own store model?
Right now we have got almost 90% plus our own stores or the stores operated by our master franchisee. You can say that is a parent company, Gargi and Sons Limited. So third party franchisee we are very much cautious before giving Because if they start and afterwards they say that it is not becoming viable, we want to quit, then it becomes passive expansion for me. Because I have got legacy of 190 years with a one USP that not a single shutter is down.
Right. Okay. And so just on the EBITDA margins, we've seen some expansion QoQ. Where do you see these margins, and what sort of steady state margins do we expect?
On the COGS side, you can expect COGS to the level of 53 to 55%, and PAT margin somewhere between 20 to 22%. These say 20%.
Okay. Okay. And so just on the marketing expenses, what sort of, so the expenses as a percentage of revenue, what sort of number will we target there?
Last year, first 9 months, we have spent on marketing, just a minute. We spent on marketing last year, first 9 months, 3 crore 64 lakh. This year, first 9 months, we have spent almost 6.75 crore. So it is almost near to double.
Right. So where do we see
And
this
we
number?
are mainly targeting social media marketing through Insta or the YouTube or the influencers created AVs.
So the 6 to 7 crore is the sort of annual number. Can we see it going ahead, or do we see it inching up further?
Wherever I will have expansion, I need to create a marketing buzz for a certain period for creating footfall and creating awareness about the same. So till the time I am expanding, this spend is going to be remain annually somewhere between 7 to 9 crore.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you, sir.
And our promoter have contributed separately 10 crore rupees at 970 rupees per share, exclusively for this marketing purpose. If you refer to the recent preferential allotment, the object was for spending on marketing purpose pan India.
Right. Okay. Thank you. That is it from my side.
Thank you.
Thank you. We take the next question from the line of Saurabh Kumar from Scientific Investing. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. First,
Yes.
thanks a lot for setting up such a great corporate governance in SME.
Yes, thank you.
And though I am invested in your company for last 6-7 months, it's very impressive. Sir, I have few questions. First
Yes.
question, sir, in terms of unit economics, and just right now you said if you are setting your own exclusive store, around 1 crore is required for inventory and capex. So if you take your existing stores at matured level, how many stores can fund this one news?
No, your voice was breaking and
So, sir, I am looking at the matured level profit of your one exclusive store. Just to come at a number that to open one new store, how many stores need to contribute through internal accrual? What is the profitability of one unique store, one exclusive store at maturity level?
it depends what rental I am taking, क्योंकि हर जगह का रेंटल अलग अलग होता है. कहीं पे 40,000 रुपए महीने पे भी मिल जाता है, मॉल में जाओ तो 4 लाख रुपए महीने का भी रेंटल भरना पड़ता है. So there is no any hard and fast, but if I invest on my own for 1 crore rupees capex, with capex plus inventory, and within 2 years time, it gives me ROI on my investment basis somewhere between 20 to 25%. 22 से 25% वो शॉप का ROI आता है. ओवरऑल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ROI उससे थोड़ा कम आता है, क्योंकि कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपेंसेस रहते हैं, कॉमन एक्सपेंसेस रहते हैं, तो वो एलोकेट नहीं होते हैं ना हर लोकेशन को. तो वो कंसीडर करने के बाद में अपना कॉर्पोरेट लेवल पे प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी 20 से 22% के बीच में आती है.
Okay, this is cash profit, sir, after factoring working capital.
No, I talking about PAT profit. मैंने पहले बोला चेक पे जो अमाउंट लिख सकता हूँ वो मैं कंसीडर करता हूँ. EBITDA वो मुझे समझता नहीं है, इवन दो आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू, क्योंकि EBITDA क्या है, इंटरेस्ट भरा तो क्या है, वो खर्चा ही है ना, वो मेरा पॉकेट से चला जाता है ना. मेरे पॉकेट में कितना रहेगा, दैट इज माई कंसर्न. इन्वेस्टर को मैं कितना चेक लिख के दे सकता हूँ, दैट इज माई कंसर्न.
Okay, sir. Second, sir, in terms of expansion strategy, like there are tier 1 cities with very high 1 crore population, then you have tier 2 cities in like 25-30 lakh population, then you have smaller cities. Do we have any strategy in mind that we will restrict to a certain minimum? Is one. And a city like, let's say a city like Pune, what is the total number of stores you see there is a possibility to open X number of stores at maturity level?
In Pune can accommodate not less than 40 stores. It has got 70 square kilometer area. 70 square kilometer area, and Pune has got population of 80 lakh plus. And many surrounding places are becoming the suburb of Pune. Right now we have got almost I think 15 or 16 locations within Pune. So there is a still scope to expand in Pune. क्या होता है सर, मैं आपको एक बताता हूँ कि if I will keep on expanding in Pune first, investor will start asking me why you are not going outside. So I am keeping mix कि Pune भी करूँ, outside भी करूँ, so that becoming brand, it is necessary to spread everywhere. I cannot concentrate in single area. Investors are also right because they want a brand perception, brand presence everywhere. So we are trying to create a brand presence along with profitable location. So it will be a mix. कि प्रॉफिट भी बनना चाहिए, ब्रांड का प्रेजेंस भी बनना चाहिए. तो कुछ लोकेशन ऐसे होंगे कि जो ब्रांड प्रेजेंस बनाएंगे लेकिन कुछ डिराइव नहीं करेंगे एक आध बार. कुछ लोकेशन ऐसे बनेंगे कि जिसमें से हायर प्रॉफिट्स आ जाएंगे कि जो ये नॉन प्रॉफिट मेकिंग को फंड कर सके.
गॉट इट सर, गॉट इट सर. और सर एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि जैसे गोल्ड ज्वेलरी सब होता है तो उसमें जैसे वी से कि इन एवरी स्टेट देयर इज अ डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज, उसमें डिजाइन ये सब चेंज होता है. And some companies in the past, they have suffered because of aggressive expansion. And we are going pan-India, but in fashion jewelry. So how is your reading of fashion jewelry market? There also every state is different, or once you have built a design strategy, you can apply it across, North India or South, West?
Generally, in fashion jewelry, there are no different designs from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Fashion jewelry has got some standards. आप ऑनलाइन भी देखेंगे तो ऑनलाइन भी कम्युनिटी वाइज या स्टेट वाइज ऐसे कोई डिजाइन नहीं होते. वो पैन इंडिया के ही डिजाइन होते हैं, पैन वर्ल्ड डिजाइन होते हैं, रादर देन ग्लोबल डिजाइन होते हैं. तो वहाँ पे ये डिजाइन का इतना कंसर्न नहीं आता है कि मैं पुणे में अलग डिजाइन रखूँ, मध्य प्रदेश में अलग रखूँ, उत्तर प्रदेश में अलग रखूँ. यस, फॉर प्लेन गोल्ड इट इज देयर कि साउथ के डिजाइन लाइकिंग अलग है, महाराष्ट्र के अलग है, सौराष्ट्र गुजरात के अलग है, फिर राजस्थान के अलग है, उत्तर प्रदेश बिहार के अलग है. बट फॉर फैशन ज्वेलरी इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. फैशन ज्वेलरी इज अ जेनजी ज्वेलरी, और वो जो देखते हैं कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म पे सोशल मीडिया पे वही उनका डिजाइन बन जाता है. वो कोई एरिया वाइज डिजाइन नहीं होता है, वो तो जेनजी का लाइक माइंडेड डिजाइन हो जाता है.
Got it, sir. Got it. And sir, for these 20-30 stores which you told you will be expanding, and we have a marketing budget also, are we looking for any further dilution?
No, as I said, in coming at least 18 months period, I am not requiring any dilution or any debt for funding the expansion.
Great,
either
great.
model, company owned or third party franchisee. For everything I am prepared. Because on own, when I make a store, as I said, 1 crore is required, and I have got treasury of almost 70 crore rupees. And I am too conservative.
Great.
That's why I can keep that treasury. Whatever earning is there, I am retaining it very properly and very carefully.
Great, sir. That's all I had. Wish you all the best, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. We take the next question from the line of Rajesh Singla from VTG Capital. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi. Good evening, sir. Thank you very much for taking my question. And first of
Good
all,
evening.
thank you for maintaining, sir, top-class corporate governance, which we have maintained so far. And so far, we have grown at 2x to 3x versus the industry growth. And considering the strong expansion plan which we have, we are looking forward to strong growth in the coming years as well. So my couple of questions, I will go one by one. So probably first question would be like, how are we managing silver prices? Like, can we say that, so maybe just your silver pricing strategy, if you can tell a bit of that?
First of all, we are not selling on the grammage basis. We are selling on MRP basis. So silver prices, if you go with the 1 gram top in the ear मतलब कान में जो पहना जाता है, वो 1 ग्राम का टॉप आपको 3,000 रुपए में मिलेगा। 5 ग्राम का जो नेकलेस रहता है वो कोई 3,000 इंटू 5 15,000 में नहीं मिलेगा, 10,000 में मिलेगा। तो हर आइटम में या डिजाइन में जो सिल्वर कंटेंट होता है उसके मल्टीपल में ही प्राइस होते हैं, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है। One thing. Secondly, government has banned importing silver jewelry, ready-made silver jewelry. Up to 31st March 26 at first level, they may extend it. And with taking into that consideration, we have already established our own manufacturing setup within Maharashtra with many Karagirs who have got expertise in 9 carat, 14 carat gold jewelry export. So they have got very good machinery available with them. With using their expertise and machinery and setup, we are manufacturing their silver jewelry, which is equivalent to the imported silver jewelry. And we are getting cost benefit also, that you are watching that COGS has come down from 56% to 53%. So that benefit is coming out of our indigenous manufacturing process. Silver price is very comparatively irrelevant, because if you take 15,000 rupees item with 10 gram of silver, today 10 gram of silver is costing you, even at 4 lakh rupees, even if you consider it is a 4,000 rupees. So main is a markup, finishing, design and marketing. So silver prices are not going to directly impact, but yes, we are saving on silver prices because we are timely procuring it, and I cannot disclose it explicitly, but keep in mind, whatever stock is valued, it is at the average purchase price, not at realizable price. And realizable price is far better as compared to the 12 months back. So margins are likely to improve.
Right, sir. And thank you, sir. And my second question would be on the share of silver jewelry or silver items in our total revenue. So how that share has changed over the last 3 years, and where do you see that changing in the next few years, sir?
I can, in percentage, if you want, I will give you just a minute. It is a 38% of the diamond jewelry.
For this year so far, right?
Up to 9 months, first 9 months. And 57% is a silver jewelry. And I am expecting it to become almost 45% of the diamond and 55% of silver by H1 of next year.
Right. So the share of diamond and basically gold jewelry is increasing. And what would be the ticket size? The normal ticket. What is the normal ticket size?
Normal ticket size in diamond jewelry, it is 15,000 to 25,000. Okay. If anyone buys, say like your necklace with tops or necklace with bracelet or necklace with finger ring, that kind of combination, it goes up to 1,25,000 also. And generally during this Valentine period, we keep certain this kind of design, and we have seen good traction for this design in last 2 years. This year also we are likely to see.
Right, sir. Great, sir. And last question would be on the marketing spend. So we have spent a significant amount this year so far. So should we expect a good amount of benefit or yield from this marketing spend in the coming quarters, given that your new stores might have started already generating revenue driven by the strong demand which we have seen so far, as well as the marketing, aggressive marketing which you have done?
मार्केटिंग का आरओआई निकालना मुझे आज तक नहीं पता चला है। लोग निकाल के दिखाते हैं, लेकिन उसको क्या मीनिंग रहता है ये मुझे ही मालूम नहीं है, क्योंकि वो कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं कि ये मार्केटिंग से सेल बनाए, ब्रांड का वैल्यू से सेल बनाए, कि मेरा फेस देख के सेल बनाए. इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. मतलब इवन इफ आई विल टेक सम सेलिब्रिटी फॉर मार्केटिंग, whether that celebrity will be acceptable or not, one thing, whether that celebrity will come in some controversy in future and that will hamper negatively on my sale even after spending, that is also difficult. But yes, we are spending on the marketing with very thoughtfully. जैसे कि सोशल मीडिया पे हम मार्केटिंग करते हैं तो पिन कोड बेस करते हैं, एज वाइज करते हैं, टाइम बैंड वाइज करते हैं, तो जो टारगेटेड अपना कस्टमर बेस है उसको ज्यादा से ज्यादा की पहुंच हो जाए, ऐसे तरह से मार्केटिंग करते हैं. सो इट गिव्स अ गुड रिटर्न ऑन दैट. बट आई विल नेवर से दैट whatever I am making 20% PAT, out of that 3% PAT is coming because I am spending on marketing. That kind of thing I will not never say or comment, क्योंकि लास्ट 2 years में मैंने लोअर मार्केटिंग किया तो भी इतना ही प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी था. आज मैं हायर मार्केटिंग कर रहा हूँ तो भी हार्डली 0.5% का प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी प्लस माइनस हो रहा है. So, but yes, we will have effective marketing for creating more and more awareness for our brand. And in last Concall only, I have mentioned very precisely that next year we will spend largely, means next 2 years, 24 months, we will spend largely on the pan-India marketing. क्योंकि पहले तो अपना रीजनल ब्रांड था, नाउ वी आर स्प्रेडिंग पैन इंडिया. सो फॉर गेटिंग अवेयरनेस अबाउट आवर ब्रांड वी रिक्वायर दैट काइंड ऑफ मार्केटिंग. सो एज आई सेड, it is double as compared to last year, and promoter have contributed to it.
Great, sir. Thank you, sir. I will get in the queue, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Best of luck.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. We take the next question from the line of Ajay S.
With permission, sir, can I take one email question which I have received, because that person is not connected, I think, in the QR. He is there. Yes, he is there. Rahul Suryavamshi. Can we take him on the top so that I can finish the questions which he has asked?
Sure,
because
sir.
he has sent the mail.
Sure, sir.
Rahulji, you are listening?
Yeah, am I audible? Hello?
Yes, you are audible.
Thank you, sir.
So, Rahulji, that question about the Q3 sale and all these things, I think you have received the answer in the first questioner person. पहले जो क्वेश्चन कर रहा था उसके इसमें मिल गया होगा आपको, I hope. So your questions were mainly regarding the Q3 lower growth. I will not say lower turnover. It was a lower growth as expected growth for the people, but it is as per the expected only. But partial 10 days for all the store was in September, and for FOFO store, 60% of their festival sale was sold in the 10 days of the Q2, because I need to transfer stock to them by billing. तो वो बिलिंग Q3 में नहीं आया था, Q2 के लास्ट 10 डेज में आया था.
ठीक. सर आपको फिर एक्चुअल सेल्स टू द कस्टमर ड्यूरिंग फेस्टिवल सीजन में कुछ कंसर्निंग नहीं लगा, यानी आवर ब्रांड प्रॉपर्टी?
There is a growth, sir. I am looking that there is a growth because I am taking statistics from FOFO model also, how much they are selling to the customer, and their B2C plus my own store B2C. If I sum up, it was almost a good larger number. Since I have not mentioned it here, but I can communicate you on the separate mail, because I need to calculate it separately and I have to quantify it separately, because right now it is not in the audited statements of the account. I cannot give some number with my own thought process as a gross or approximate number. I will communicate you.
Yeah.
But I can assure you all that the sale in Q3 or the festival sale was definitely good at higher number, and it is matching to our growth.
Perfect. Thank you, sir. सर एक और एक क्वेश्चन था, पूछ सकता हूँ मैं?
Yes, continue.
सर क्या आप नॉन महाराष्ट्रियन रेवेन्यू और प्रॉफिट शेयर कर सकते हो? मैंने आपके पास आइडिया है या टेंटेटिव नंबर दैट?
नहीं, मैंने एक अगले क्वेश्चन में भी बोला कि विद इन महाराष्ट्र कितना टर्नओवर है, आउटसाइड महाराष्ट्र कितना हुआ है, इसका मैंने अभी स्टैटिस्टिक्स नहीं निकाला है, लेकिन इन एनुअल जो हम लोग रिजल्ट देंगे उसमें ये डेफिनेटली कंसिडर करेंगे. ये आप बहुत सारे लोगों का जो क्वेश्चन है कि महाराष्ट्र में हम कितना सेल कर रहे हैं, आउटसाइड महाराष्ट्र कितना कर रहे हैं, आई विल डेफिनेटली डिस्क्लोज दैट नंबर.
और एक मेरा पर्सनल कंसर्न ये है कि सर सिंस इट्स ये जो फैशन ज्वेलरी बिजनेस है वहाँ पे इट्स इजी टू एंटर बिकॉज ऑफ द थर्ड पार्टी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग आर अवेलेबल, राइट? आजकल बहुत सारे लोग मार्केट में आ रहे हैं, सो हाउ आर वी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम देम? और हमारे पास क्या कॉम्पिटिटिव एज है? क्योंकि बहुत बड़े बड़े ब्रांड भी है आजकल, अब नए नए आपने आई थिंक यू वुड हैव सीन दैट, आई थिंक पुणे में आई थिंक सी दैट एनी बिकॉज वन ऑफ द बिगर ब्रांड्स सिमिलर टू द महाराष्ट्र, राइट? तो बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स आ चुके हैं कि
इफ यू टेल मी अबाउट द ब्रांड नेम देन ओनली आई कैन कमेंट अबाउट इट.
PNG का ही एक ब्रांड है, लाइफस्टाइल आया है, फिर जीवा है, फिर
लाइफस्टाइल इज अ प्लेन गोल्ड ज्वेलरी, इट इज नॉट अ फैशन ज्वेलरी.
अच्छा, और अदर छोटे मोटे ब्रांड्स भी अभी लोकली भी इंश्योर हो रहे हैं.
और PNG Jewellers का जो सिल्वर स्टाइल ब्रांड है, that is not competing with us as far as top line of our business is concerned about fashion jewelry. And as I explained, there are many brands, but they are not matching to us in the profitability, in the variety. We have got 190 plus year experience. We are not startup. We are not IITians starting jewelry business. We are hardcore jewelers or the saraf who are entering in the business. So our knowledge age will be far better than any other than the shop kind of the experienced person. And startup होने से कैसा होता है कि they want to create a number, whether it is a profitable or not, it is immaterial. But since we are hardcore business people, व्यापारी है, तो हम लोगों को तो bottom line से मतलब ज्यादा रहता है rather than top line. Unless something is going to make profit, we will not enter into it.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. I'm done with my question. Thanks
Yes,
for your
thank you.
corporate governance. This gives us the confidence, right, irrespective of what is currently happening in the market.
Yes.
I'll stay invested with you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, next.
Thank you. We take the next question from the line of Ajay S., who is an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. Sir,
Yes.
I have a question. We have been maintaining the EBITDA margins around 30% consistently. If you look at other brands, they're able to maintain around 12 to 15%. What is that we are doing differently in our company such that we are able to maintain these margins? Thank you.
मेरा ब्रांड अच्छा है, मेरा नाम अच्छा है, ये बताने के लिए मुझे खर्चा नहीं करना पड़ता है. मेरे पास आओ, क्वालिटी मिलेगा, ये बताने के लिए मुझे खर्चा नहीं करना पड़ता है. बिकॉज वी हैव गॉट 190 प्लस ईयर लीगेसी प्रमोटर्स कि जिनका नाम लेने से लोगों को बाकी का कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है. ऑल दीज न्यू पीपल रिक्वायर्ड टू स्पेंड ऑन मार्केटिंग विच आई कॉल एज अ कैश बर्न. दैट्स व्हाई देयर प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इज लो एज कंपेयर टू आवर. So that is an advantage to our brand, advantage to our company, and blessing to our company.
Okay. Sir, but if you have to expand outside of Maharashtra, is our brand visible? I mean, do we have to do more on marketing?
So we have started doing that. Last year only I told that next year and next to next year we will spend double or triple on the marketing. This first 9 months vis-a-vis last year's first 9 months, we have spent double on the marketing. Because I know that we are a regional brand. So in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, we are well known. Very well versed with the people. But when I will go to north like Lulu Mall, Lucknow, or the Lucknow High Street, or NCR, or Gurgaon, or the Pitampura, Delhi, or the Patna, or the Bhubaneswar, or Jaipur, or Indore, I need to create awareness to the people, and I am doing that. And that is giving me the good returns also. But that I will not spend just like a mad. Cash burning I will not do.
Got it, sir. So because of this, do you see or do you expect any contraction in EBITDA margins, or do you expect the same margins to continue? Or you see an improvement?
I always talk about the PAT only, sir. PAT only, sir. I will talk only about PAT. You will see PAT between 20 से 22% का consistent रहेगा.
Okay, okay.
क्योंकि हमारे इसमें EBITDA को उतना भी इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है, फिक्स एसेट नहीं है, तो डेप्रिसिएशन बहुत कम है, डेट फ्री है, तो इंटरेस्ट है ही नहीं, तो पीबीटी और EBITDA में ज्यादा फर्क नहीं रहता है अपने इसमें.
Got it, sir. Sir, and recently there is a note that the company has released about PNGS Reva Diamond Jewellery. If you can talk about what are the product mix of Reva Diamond, because you have recognized as a group company, PNGS Gargi. So in PNGS Reva Diamond,
group company classification is because of the related party transaction. Otherwise, there is no group company kind of the thing. Because in Reva Jewellery, some location, we may start selling Gargi diamond jewellery also. because Reva Diamond Jewellery, DRHP, it is said it will be a multi-brand store also. So in some store we may sell it. It is not necessary that every store will sell, but we may sell in tier 2, tier 3 city under Reva, Gargi Fashion Jewellery, Diamond Jewellery.
Okay. And that will be a shop-in-shop, right?
No, as it is, Reva is a shop-in-shop, so in their inventory we may keep some affordable inventory or fast-moving inventory on which we will get commission from, means I am talking in the context of Reva, so I am saying we will get some commission from Reva.
Okay. Sir, and one last question, sir. So we have three formats of Gargi, right? One is franchisee, one is a shop-in-shop, and one is exclusive brand store. In the future or in the next report or anytime, could we get the breakup of each
yes, definitely.
format?
In annual report, I will give that.
Okay.
So in another 2 months' time, you will get annual report. That time you will get that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. We take the next question from the line of Kiran, who is an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello, Amit ji. Thank you for taking my
Hello,
call.
hello. Thank you.
I have three questions. First one is regarding 9 carat gold. It was started a couple of months back. Can you please update us in terms of how's the progress? How's the
It is only 3 months back. It is started in Navratri. First time it was started in Navratri, and it is getting good response as new product is introduced, and it is that 9 carat gold jewelry is not available in 33 SIs of PN Sons because it is a conflict of interest for their business. So it is other than 33 location of PN Sons.
Okay. So it's only for exclusive or non-PN.
Exclusive franchisee or exclusive brand store. And I can tell you 1 kilo on gross weight basis, we have already sold 9 carat jewelry.
Okay. Great. The second question was regarding main board listing. Last time we discussed, you mentioned that by December, January 26, we can become main board company, right? So can you update us on the progress of that?
So last time when we conducted meeting that some criteria got changed in April, May 25. Like earlier it was said previous 3 years positive profit, means positive result. Now they are saying minimum 15 crore rupees operating profit in every year. So if you calculate 21-22, 23-24 and 24-25, in that 21-22 I was not having that 15 crore operating profit. Now 22-23, 23-24, 24-25, 25-26. So when I complete that 25-26, I will have previous 3 years more than 15 crore rupees operating profit, and I am eligible because as it is, I have got more than that minimum number of shareholders. Right now, company has got more than 2,500 shareholders, more than 100 crore rupees net worth. That criteria is also fulfilled. So we can get listed in main board after the declaration of result for 31st March, and it is on the track. We are preparing for that, and you will get it to see if everything goes correct to the regulators and everything. By September 26, you will see ourselves on the main board.
Oh, okay. Thanks for the update. I didn't know the change, so I was wondering whether it will happen this month or next month. Okay. And the third question, again, I will leave it to you whether you want to answer it or not. This was related to our associate company or Reva. Now, the DRHP was filed a couple of months back, but we didn't hear anything about listing. Now, my question is purely related to Gargi, because last time when we discussed, you mentioned that Reva expansion has a benefit for Gargi because Gargi will be able to sell our jewelry over there, as you mentioned just now also, right? So hence I'm interested in Reva listing. So any update on that, if you can share?
So it is already on public domain. That issue is opening on 24th of February. And tentative listing date is the 4th of March.
Okay. I didn't know that. Okay, thanks for the update. That's all from my side. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. We take the next question from the line of Paras Kakkad, who is an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. My questions have been answered well, and I wish you all the best for your
Thank
coming
you.
years.
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you. We take the next question from the line of Rahul Kumar Paliwal from Shefa Family Office. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir.
सर बहुत इंटेलेक्चुअल क्वेश्चन मत कीजिए, आप हर बार बहुत इंटेलेक्चुअल क्वेश्चन करते हैं.
Surely, sir. But I have to congratulate on excellence financial prudence with 70 CR of treasury in place, industry leading margin, ROC, ROE in tune of 25 to 30%, and with just 0.15% of market share. So things are going like dream for any investor. So congratulations to the team.
Thank you.
I have 4 questions, sir. So one is like AI is now impacting IT jobs. Okay, that is for sure, and that can impact tier 1 consumer sentiments. So how are you assessing the risk? Can I put all 4 questions or one by one I should go?
Yes.
Okay.
Put all the questions.
And then
I will
Sure. My second question is, apart from Mithila, are we planning any other male or female model which can be a better marketing expense ROI-wise, probably? That's second question. Any comment on in-house manufacturing capabilities which can be an added advantage? And are we trying with any other metals in the jewelry and any other cross-selling opportunity in Reva? Because there the customer will come with the higher budget in mind, and the higher ticket item of Gargi can be sold out there. And my last question is the snowballing impact, where we can that impact is like where we can drive the next year growth with the profit of last year. So like opening the number of stores with the profit of last few years, the snowballing effect, can it be fair to assume can be played around 300 crore of top line with the operating leverage kicking out by maybe 27-28?
Operating profit or PAT?
Operating leverage may be kicked out by 27-28 with the top line of 300 crore. So that snowballing can play out like opening the new stores with the profit of last year, where we don't have to dilute the equity, in other words, actually.
So you must appreciate that I have conserved the entire earnings of the earlier year, and that makes the treasury right now. Because whatever was raised in the second round of QIB, that is first round of QIB and second round of QIB, is almost getting consumed. So whatever is remaining is accumulated profits only of the earlier year. So those will be used for the expansion. No debt will be there, no expansion in equity will be there, at least for next 18 to 24 months. Secondly, you want to know about the metals, but yes, we are that 9 carat is something kind of using other metal only, because in 9 carat hardly 37% is a gold, remaining is alloys only. And right now there are research going on in the industry. I cannot pronounce the name of the metal because I am in the industry, so I need to keep the confidentiality of it. But yes, we are trying about it, and if successful, we will definitely introduce. But high polish means जो 1-2 माइक्रोन तक का पॉलिश होता है, उसकी जगह 5 या 6 माइक्रोन का पॉलिश करके सिल्वर ज्वेलरी अगर हम टेम्पल ज्वेलरी ला सकते हैं कि जिसको थोड़ा रीसेल वैल्यू भी रह सकता है. सो फॉर दैट वी आर ट्राइंग, बट डोंट टेक एनी ऑफ माय दिस स्टेटमेंट एज समथिंग कॉन्क्रीट स्टेटमेंट कि अगले 3 महीने में आपने क्यों नहीं लाया, 3 महीने पहले तो आपने बोला था. सो आई एम दिस इज जस्ट व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. आई एम ब्रीफिंग यू विदाउट एनी टाइमलाइन कमिटमेंट. Then Mithila, for us, she is reasonable for our regional brand aspect, and she is known on the web series Pan India also. So I can tell you very proudly, one Sharma madam from a very prominent banking sector came to us for some other work. She said, आपके वो मिथिला पालकर जो मॉडल है वो बहुत अच्छी है, नॉर्थ इंडिया में हम लोग बहुत उसको लाइक करते हैं. So I am not मतलब internet savvy or the techno savvy. I don't have even Facebook account or Insta account or anything. But since she has given this compliment, I said okay, that means our model is okay. And we have extended contract with her till July 26. Then again, if she continue or anyone new comes, we will accept it. But your question about ROI, earlier also, I think you was not there in queue. You joined little bit late. I replied that advertisement or marketing ROI, ये concept ही मेरे दिमाग में नहीं बैठता है. Marketing and concept is only spend without expecting anything. If something comes, it's a bonus for us. So, but yes, it is showing the effect because 0.5% PAT is improving. So we can say that it is because of the marketing. लेकिन उसका वैल्यू निकालेंगे और मार्केटिंग का कॉस्ट निकालेंगे तो वो मार्केटिंग कॉस्ट ज्यादा है वो 0.5% से. Again, whether it is ROI or negative ROI, I don't understand. AI, yes, definitely the software industry is going to hit with the AI. There will be loss of job and everything. But it happens every time. In 2000, Y2K was there, or earlier 1985 to 1995, there was a threat because of computer loss of job and everything. Paperless office बनने की उम्मीद थी, लेकिन उल्टा पेपर ज्यादा ही कंज्यूम होने लगा कंप्यूटर आने के बाद, क्योंकि प्रिंट करते हैं, नहीं पसंद आया तो फाड़ के फेंक देते हैं. अर्लियर क्या करते थे, वहां पे इरेज करते थे, व्हाइटनर लगा के राइट करके वही पेपर रखते थे. सो डेट चेंजेस, टाइम चेंजेस, थिंग चेंजेस. So we need to take it as a something new challenge. But I don't think that it will reduce the consumer's buying power drastically. क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला नहीं है कि आज के दिन में 2 करोड़ एम्प्लॉयड है, अचानक एआई आ गया तो सिर्फ 50 लाख एम्प्लॉयड रह गए, 1.5 करोड़ एम्प्लॉयड हो गए.
Got it. Got it. Just a correction. I was not asking about replacing Mithila, but adding another male or female. Yeah. Okay. Got it.
मेल ज्वेलरी में लिमिटेशन ऐसा है सर, मेल ज्वेलरी का जो टॉप लाइन बनना चाहिए ना, वो इट इज टू डिफिकल्ट, क्योंकि फीमेल डोमिनेटेड एक तो बिजनेस है. दुकान में आने वाले मेजोरिटी लोग हैं वो फीमेल रहती है. तो इसीलिए हमने किड्स ज्वेलरी चालू की, जिसको अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है. क्योंकि जो लेडीज आती है तो उनके बच्चे तो होते ही है, अगर यंग भी होगा तो उसका छोटा बच्चा तो होता ही है, तो वो खुद के ज्वेलरी के साथ में वो खरीदती है. एंड किड्स ज्वेलरी हैज गॉट गुड रिस्पॉन्स.
Got it. And any idea about Shravya cross-selling? And on this front, male side, just give us some innovative product like, Pulsar Definitive Male. I'm sure this category will surprise you. We have a lot of
industry run by a male for female.
Got it. Right. Reva side, if you can comment cross-selling.
Reva, if you excuse me, I will comment because there are n number of regulatory limitations. You also understand. Sure. You can also understand.
Sure.
And right now on the public domain, so I am restricted to talk only within the DRHP or RHP content. So I will request you to give the pass to your question.
Makes sense, sir. Thank you so much, and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. We take the next question from the line of Rajesh Singla from VTG Capital. Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. All my questions have been answered. Thank you very much. And best of luck, sir.
क्या था जो आपने पूछना रह गया था और आंसर हो गया?
नहीं बस अभी आई थिंक मार्जिन वगैरह का था, और ये नए प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में पूछना चाहते थे कि नए प्रोडक्ट्स आप कोई लाना चाहते हैं. आई थिंक other people who are entering in this industry, they are exploring like premium watches or premium scent or any other kind of thing, premium clothing as well. So any like maybe in the distant future.
मैंने मेरे main parent company introduced one time past watches, and we need to write off few crore rupees because those watch companies are not giving us stock on sale or return basis. So it is a very high risk business and cash burn business.
Yeah, great. And I think investors are, I think probably most of us are quite comfortable with the management acumen as well as their strategy for growth. So nothing to worry on that front. It's just that it's always curious to know like what management is thinking for.
Yes, definitely. But wherever we have got already experience, I will also explain you that we have already experienced it. Instead of saying yes, we will try kind of thing.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Best of luck, sir.
Thank you. We take the next question from the line of Anand Yaltimar Shenoy, who is an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Sir, congratulations on very good numbers and great corporate governance.
Thank you.
My first question is on the same store growth. Like, how has been on the PNG side as well as on the EBO side, how has been the same store growth, sir, for 9 months?
At PNG side, it is not less than 25%.
Okay.
And on EBO side, since these are new EBOs, all our new EBOs are new. So last year में 40 लाख किया है, ये साल 1.5 करोड़ किया, तो I will not say it is a 2.5 time because it is not going to get repeat.
Okay.
क्योंकि पहला जो धमाका होता है वो बड़ा धमाका होता है. बाद में जो परसेंटेज ग्रोथ होती है वो लोअर होती जाती है. क्योंकि पहले साल तो मैच्योर होने में जाता है, नोन होने में जाता है, अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने में जाता है. तब सेल अगर 40-50 लाख का बनता है और सेकंड ईयर में 1.5 करोड़ का बनता है, दैट डजंट मीन देयर इज अ 200% ग्रोथ और 300% ग्रोथ, बिकॉज इट्स अ वन टाइम. उसके बाद में जो होता है वो स्लो हो जाता है. दैट इज आवर एक्सपीरियंस एज फार एज प्रीवियस ऑल थिंग्स आर सीन, कि पहले बरस में लो होता है, दूसरे बरस में बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है और तीसरे बरस से सेटल होते जाता है. लेकिन यस, इफ यू गो ऑन एवरेज आउट, द SSG will not be less than 25%.
And on the diamond jewelry side versus the silver, like how is the margin differential between these two segments? And like you are telling that next year the diamond jewelry proportion will go up. So like how does it impact the overall like working capital as well as the margins?
So in diamond jewelry, gold component has got lower margin. This year we got good margin because of the rate appreciation in gold.
Okay.
But on diamond front, there is a good margin. Making charges, there is a good margin, which is compensating no margin on the gold. So overall, it is matching with the silver jewelry only on a vanilla basis. If silver jewelry is giving, say, gross margin of 55%, this may be giving us 45 to 47%.
Okay. Okay. And this diamond jewelry is only
natural.
Only sold in the EBO stores or even in the PNG stores?
No, even in main stores also.
Okay, okay.
PNGS store also we are selling Gargi jewelry. Gargi diamond jewelry.
Diamond jewelry. Okay, sir. Thanks a lot for answering.
Thank you. The last one.
Thank you. We take the next question from the line of Madhav Malpani, who is an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello. So you can hear me?
Yes, welcome. Welcome, yes.
Sir, congratulations for amazing set of numbers.
Yes, thank you.
Sir, I have just one question with respect to Reva and Gargi. You just mentioned that Reva will be selling few products of Gargi. So just taking a hypothetical example, a customer walking into the store choosing a Gargi at around, suppose a ring of around 40,000. And if he gets a better option at around 60,000 of Reva, the same diamond ring, different. So wouldn't that be a conflict of interest, sir? The customer tend to go for a better...
Just a minute. Selling Gargi jewelry in Reva is not my prime object.
Right.
It is an additional avenue for Gargi's diamond jewelry. Okay. Because Gargi has got its own store. Gargi has got SAS with PN Gargi Sons. So Gargi's expansion or Gargi's profitability or sale is not depending how Reva will sell Gargi's jewelry.
Right.
So it will be an additional option available to the customer. It is not competing to each other. आप कोई दुकान में आता है और बोलता है कि मेरा बजट 50,000 ही था, तो उसको बाहर जाने नहीं देने के लिए मेरे पास अवेलेबिलिटी रखनी है मुझे वो सिर्फ. That is not my prime object. My prime object in Reva store will be to sell Reva jewelry, not Gargi jewelry.
Right. Right, sir. Sir, and another thing I just want to ask is there any strict distinction that the Gargi will be holding only 14 carat and anything above 14 carat won't be included in Gargi?
No, 14 carat, why? To make it affordable.
Okay.
14 carat is not something classification. 14 carat makes affordability. Because gold value in that 14 carat thing will be lesser as compared to 18 carat content or the 22 carat content. इसलिए वो 14 कैरेट का है. ऐसा कोई ये नहीं है कि 14 कैरेट उधर बेच रहे हैं क्योंकि 14 कैरेट का उधर रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया है. In Reva, we will be selling 14 as well as 18 as per choice of customer.
Okay. So same will be applicable to Gargi also. Even in Gargi we can...
No, in Gargi we are not keeping at all 18 and 22 carat because there it's a fashion jewelry store, so it has to be affordable, pocket friendly.
Okay.
So with 18 carat, 22 carat, that pocket friendliness will get removed.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you and welcome. Thanks to all for joining, and I will ask Hiranyamai to conclude the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining the meeting. I hand over the call to Ryan now.
Thank you. On behalf of PNGS Gargi Fashion Jewellery Limited, that concludes this conference call. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your line.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Concall India for latest upcoming Concall.